Hi, I'm Kenny Stone of KS Films. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slow motion and speed ramp effects on your 24 FPS footage. Sometimes we want to make slow-mo effect, but we didn't shoot in a higher frame rate. That's where Twixtor comes in. It's a paid plugin, but you can get the trial version from getintoPC.com. Now, this is not a paid promotion, just a normal tutorial video. So without wasting too much time, let's get into business. So we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and these are the clips I selected for this effect. So what we are going to be doing is slow motion, and then we move to speed ramps too. The plugin we are going to be using is Twixtor. So you can get this, you pay for it and get it, or use the free version, the trial version. So what we're going to do is, before we drag and drop, we need to nest. For some reason, we just need to nest the clip first. So after we are done doing that, we are going to put Twixtor on it like so, and go to the effect control panel. Now you can see the options here. So I'm going to do is, I'm going to set the speed to, let's say 50, or better still 40. I downloaded it from YouTube and it's in 24 FPS. You can see what I'm trying to do. Now you see how the slow motion plays. So to get a best preview of this, we're going to render this section out like so. So I'm going to wait for a while for Premiere to finish rendering, and you see how it looks. Yeah, so this is the safest method to use to slow-mo your clips aside optical flow. Optical flow works when there's not too much movement in the clip, but if you have a complex type of clip, I advise you going for Twixtor. Yeah, so this is how it looks. You see, very smooth. So we are done with the slow motion part. Now let's move to the next section, which is the speed ramp. So the same process continues. We're going to nest the clip. Then from there, we put in Twixtor plugin. And now with the speed ramp, I'm going to play with keyframes. So what I want to do is that, let's look at the clip. Okay, so I want it to play normal. Get to where he raises his hand or his arm, then I slow it down. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to the beginning, keyframe the speed at 100. So I want it to be between, boom, so somewhere here. Yeah. Now speed ramp from this side, move a bit like so. Then I reduce the speed to about 50%. I'm going to move some frames. So I want it to last up to this side. Then boom. So let's see how this looks now. You see how it looks. Yeah. So to give it some energy, I'm going to move a few frames, add a keyframe, and I'm going to bump this up to, like, let's say 300. Like so. And now you can see how this plays. Then boom. That's what I'm talking about. So that's how to speed ramp with Twixtor, like boom. To make this more smoother, you can ease in here, go to the first keyframe and ease out. And let me render this part so that we can see the full effect well. So basically, that's what you want to do with a slow motion. You do this speed ramp to the same process and you are done. So now you can preview the clip. Boom. So this is 24 FPS footage, not 60. Normally, if you want to do this intentionally, normally shoot in 60 FPS or 120 FPS. So this is how simple it is, and boom. So this is just a short tutorial. I'll be dropping more tutorial videos, so I invite you to subscribe if you've not done that. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.